friends, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time, you're welcome. So I'll be showing you the simplest method of making croissant, a beautiful delicious snack. So you start by adding some warm milk into a bowl, followed by some warm water, and then you go ahead and mix, then sift in the flour and add some sugar, salt, yeast and butter. Then I'll go ahead and mix everything using my hand till it's well incorporated. You know, in making this snack, you need enough patience. You can't believe it if I tell you that I tried making croissants 3 times before I finally got it right. Because the snack has some procedures that you need not to skip if you really want to make it. So if you eventually try the recipe and you don't get it right the first time, don't forget that I tried 3 times before I got it right. So you keep on trying till you finally make it if you really love the snack. So the dough is soft and is smooth enough, and I'll allow to rest for 1 hour 30 minutes or till it doubles. So this is it. I'll go ahead and I'll knead again. Then I'll roll to a square shape and I'll apply the butter all over the spread dough. When you're done, you fold each side just like this, and then you wrap with a cling film and then you refrigerate. So you refrigerate for 1 hour or 24 hours preferably. So after 24 hours, you get it out from the fridge, then you dust the work surface with some flour and then you roll. Remember it's cold, so you roll gently and then you fold just the way I'm doing. Then you roll continuously till it's well spread on the work surface. Then you go ahead and trim the edges. And then you go ahead and divide the rolled dough just like this. If yours is finer than mine, then it's perfect. It's really perfect. When you're done with that, give a little cut at the center and then you roll up. And then you place in your baking pan lined with some parchment paper. And when you're done with all the dough, cover with a cling film to rest for extra 20 minutes. And I'll be glazing this dough with some honey for a unique taste. You can use some cream cheese or chocolate. Then I'll finally glaze it with some egg for a shine and a beautiful brown color. And I'll bake in a preheated oven for 30 minutes. So guys, do not forget to follow me on Facebook and to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And this is the final result. This is really delicious. I love croissants so much that I had to look for a way to make sure I try this recipe, and thank God I finally got it right. And it's really crunchy on the outside and it's soft on the inside. You can even have it with a glass of coffee, tea, or whatsoever you want to have it with. So guys, thank you so much for joining me today. Hope this video has been a great help to you. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.